Hi guys, we're out here in Peoria, Arizona at an open house, and this is it's a bit of a fixer-upper, and I guess you'll see. So come on in. All right, say hi. So this is the paint. I guess they didn't like using masking tape. Here's a kitty litter cabinet. I don't know. Yeah, the outlets look like that. Some definitely needs a little bit of TLC. This is the backsplash they were going for. Good effort. Didn't get all the way there, but you know. Baseboards. Yeah, just a very interesting color scheme. Show you the back room. And here we have a purple. Missing some of the baseboard. And yeah. So how much is this going to sell for?
$480,000.
No, be serious. How much is it going to sell for?
My guess, $350, as is.
$350 as is.
$390 if you fix it up.
And $390 if you fix it up. So that should just give you a little bit of an idea of the market right now. And, yeah. Goodbye.